Recording on OBS, recording on iPhone, and let's clap it in. So I was doing some keyword research and I wanted to find something to do a video on about animation. So I plugged in animation to my keyword research and I've got 4 of the 5 tabs on animation, something I'm very interested in, and 1 of the 5 tabs on artificial intelligence. And then I stumbled across this video about an AI video generation tool. So we're going to check that out today. It's called Pika Labs. You can follow along with me if you want. This could be a total failure and flop because I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just gonna go over to Pika Labs, put in my prompt. I signed up with my Google account. So let's go over there right now. Okay, here it is. It is pika.art. Here, let's just go to Google. You can go this way if you want. Is Pika Labs free? Pika Labs is free to use. AI-powered platform turns text or image prompts into short video. We're just gonna do something super simple. Go to Pika.art. There's an explore tab so you can see the different types of video it already does. Of course, these are going to have a watermark unless you pay for it. Let's see what this is. 3D animation, a cute boy standing in a house. And I don't know how long the generation is going to take, but we'll find out. Describe your story. Let's just go, let's use ChatGPT to do this. Okay, write me a short science fiction story about a robot that gains sentience and finds feelings and love, takes place in outer space. Use lots of visual elements. This is a prompt. Stardust Serenade. Okay, here we go. Here we go. We'll just use ChatGPT to do the story stuff. It seems pretty long. I don't know. It's probably gonna be too long, so good God. I should have emphasized short. We're gonna copy paste that from ChatGPT over into PikaLabs. Copy. Here we go. Describe your story. Control V. Consider it done. Your video will start generating soon. I don't know how long this is going to take. Probably a long time. Oh shoot, it's at 20% already. 23%. Oh my gosh. It's half done. Unbelievable. It's done. Okay, let's watch it. How do we watch it? How do we watch it? Okay, let's download it, I guess. This is going to be a lot shorter than I thought. Okay, where'd it go? Come on. Okay, here we go. Let's watch it. It's going to be super short, probably. Are you serious? 3 seconds? It's 3 seconds. Like, what good is that?
It's 3 seconds.
Well, I guess if you want more than 3 seconds, you got to pay for it. If you want more on generative fill, check out this video. Now you don't have to waste your time. Bye.